Special food for special day. So, welcome for another journey with me. It's your cook Leonard corraya. So, here on this video, I'm going to share with you with top class Middle Eastern food menu. Two dish I'm going to share with you, and this is the first one we call leham mopada. It's leham mopada rice with grilled leham. It's a leham you are watching here. The specialty for this rice is hashu, and this hashu we made it by chana dal with fried potato and onion. And see, that is another one. It's a Iranian traditional food, that is rice cake. It's from Iran. So here this is two special menu from me, and there has one question from me to you guys. The question is, let me know which one is your favorite dish from here. From these two dishes, you will tell me which one is your favorite. Tell me on my comment box, and I will going to count your comment for making my next video. So thank you guys for watching this video, and let me know about my question. I hope you enjoy it really. So thanks once again. And my friends, if you don't know my Instagram or Twitter account, if you not follow me there, so you can follow me there. I will put my account link on my description, so you can check out from there and follow me in Twitter or Instagram. So thank you so much. Take care, have fun, bye, and we will talk soon. Thanks.